is Bentley. I am a 4th grader in Miss Morton's class, and in Makerspace, I've been learning about food chains. And about food chains is where an animal eats something and another animal eats that animal that ate the something. And I have a representation of what it's about. So let me show you. So first we have a pig in his habitat, and he eats the hay, and a wolf comes and he eats the pig. And then he eats the pig, and then the bear comes and eats the wolf. And then the bear dies, which fertilizes the dirt, which makes grass, and then a rabbit comes and bounces to the grass and eats it, and then he bounces off the screen. So that's my representation.